This video is sponsored by Envato Elements. Yo, what's good guys? It's your boy Dixon from Intuitive Designs. Today, I'll be turning the Batman into a streetwear brand. I've watched the movie 2 times during the first week that it came out, and I dare say that it is the best Batman movie we have ever had.
What?
Anyway, nothing too crazy though, just one design, and I'll expand it to a couple more silhouettes, turning it into a small capsule drop. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the design process, let's go. Quick word from today's sponsor, Envato Elements. Envato Elements is hands down the best investment I've made since I've started using it a year ago. With over 50 million assets available at your disposal, you can easily browse through their vast resource library for premium assets. Whether it's fonts for your posters, stock photos for your shirt designs, or logo animation for your YouTube videos, Envato Elements has got you covered. My personal favorite feature is the 3D assets library, so just go to the search bar, select 3D, type in what you need, and you get endless collection of 3D assets. Envato Elements 3D models allow you to rotate and select the angle to best suit your design, and you can download it as PNG file. Another good thing about this is that they offer unlimited downloads where you can download all the assets you want with only one subscription. Click the link below to get 50% off on annual subscription, giving you full access for just $16.50 per month. Now back to the video. So my direction for this drop is I'm gonna go for that old vintage illustration kind of design. Not the typical graphic tee route where I take stills from the movie and then just slap them on some tees. Of course, nothing wrong with that. I just feel like going a different direction would be an interesting take on the movie's visual. So I found these assets online and I'm thinking about replacing the head of this Grim Reaper illustration with this Batman photo. I imagine it would turn out to be like a vampire Batman with, you know, gothic vibes, which kind of ties to the movie, I guess. But yeah, right now I'm using a hard round brush to kind of paint over this scythe and then this skeleton arm on the right, and you know, just cleaning up the illustration a bit. I'm gonna edit this Batman photo I found online. Disclaimer, don't use any photo from Pinterest or Google when you're designing for your brand or client. Everything there is copyrighted, and I'm only using this for content purposes. I'm not actually selling it. But yeah, I'm using the threshold effect to turn it into a monotone illustration, sort of to kind of match the look of the Grim Reaper illustration. Now I'm just scaling it and see if I could find a way to match, you know, the stroke size so that they both blend well and look seamless. So I've added a Gaussian blur effect to the Batman face while using the threshold effect to make the illustration bolder. That way it matches the Grim Reaper's illustration better. As you can see it here, it does blend better now, whereas before there was too much details and it just kind of looked out of place. I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks really good. Maybe it's just me, but what do you guys think so far? Let me know in the comments below. Now I can move on to adding some assets to the whole design. Here is some bat illustration I found earlier, and my idea is to add maybe just 2 of these illustrations to the design, and just place them around the Batman figure to kind of fill in the design. It's actually coming along really well, guys. I know I sound surprised myself because I genuinely didn't plan ahead for this design. I just created it as I go. So yeah, the next step is of course adding the text. I'm using this quote from the the movie's intro monologue. Thinking about making it go around the design like in a circle, but I'm not really feeling it. Because of this area right here where the text kind of blend too much with the illustration and you can't read the text or even see the Batman's face. But yeah, let me try something else. So I've decided to go with this arch text placement, and I think this looks better now that it doesn't overlap with any part of the design. It is clean and well arranged. Now I'll keep this placement for a bit and move on to the headline that goes "I'm Vengeance" at the bottom. For this element though, I do have a plan to combine 2 completely different fonts with the same letters, but completely different look to kind of contrast it, giving it that modern acid aesthetic. I've decided to use the same font for the Vengeance text as the one that I used for the arch, but I stretched it out a bit vertically to go against the font in front. So that kind of creates that contrast. It's actually a design trend in 2022 where people stretch fonts for aesthetic purposes. So yeah, if you guys want to try it out, go ahead and do it. Sometimes you can even overdo it and it'll look good, but I would say, you know, do it tastefully if you could. Anyway, I'll wrap this up right now and mock it up and show you guys the final results. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll be uploading more tutorials for the next few weeks, so stay tuned for that. As always, follow me on all my socials for more content. Subscribe if you haven't yet so you don't miss out on my videos. Stay safe and see you in the next one.